GVL Narasimha Rao of the BJP, Rita Brata of the CPIM, Kamal Mitra Chenoy of the Aam Aadmi Party, Brajesh Kalappa of the Congress, Rahul Narvekar of the NCP, and Bijon Mishra, consumer expert. By the way, this is an open debate, and so you're free to come in when you want. I'll only ask one introductory question to the BJP. Can Mr. Rao hear me? Mr. Rao?
Yes.
I remember, Mr. Rao, before the elections, how much you used to laugh when the UPA used to say that prices have gone up because Indians are eating more and better. You used to say that it's a cruel joke, that people are eating more and better, dietary habits are changing, that's why inflation has gone up. Today, have you seen the agenda note circulated for the Conference of State Food Ministers with the centre? It talks about rising per capita income, population growth and changing dietary pattern. You are saying exactly what the UPA said? Should they laugh at you now?
Absolutely not. I think what the government needs to do, I think you need to ensure that the overall growth rate in the agriculture sector, which has been very sluggish, I think gets a big improvement, because the agricultural growth rate has been extremely poor. Unless you have, unless you really ensure that there is adequate supply of fruits, vegetables, pulses, or oil and other commodities in shortage, you will continue to
don't try to go away. Don't try and find the easy route.
Mr. Rao needs to do his homework properly. Mr. Rao, you need to be told
come on,
that the agriculture produced in the last 3 years has been unprecedented.
No, then where is the problem?
Right,
are you allowing hoarding? Is the NCP talking?
What hoarding are you talking about? What hoarding are you talking about?
Are you hoarding?
Mr. Rao, keep quiet for a minute and listen to this. Mr. Rao, Dhania
you have the patience
Mr.
to
Rao,
Dhania
is 90 rupees a bundle. And dhania cannot be hoarded. Potatoes cannot be hoarded. Don't fool the nation. You have failed to deliver your promises, and you need to face that fact.
Come on, you cannot be.
I expected better of Mr. Jaitley. I expected better of Mr. Jaitley. I didn't know Mr. Jaitley was under the impression that perishable commodities like dhania and potatoes could be hoarded.
When agriculture has been completely neglected.
Can potatoes be hoarded?
Has been neglected.
If I look, open debate.
Agriculture has to be given the priority.
Mr. Rao, a simple question to you. Mr.
No, it
Rao,
can't be.
a simple question to you.
Answer the question.
Can potatoes and dhania be hoarded?
Produces.
Can
Potatoes can't be hoarded.
and dhania be hoarded?
Why are the onion prices high in Maharashtra?
Sir, you blame onion prices on hoarding. You blame onion prices on hoarding, but consider this, Mr. Rao. In May 2014, food inflation measured by the wholesale price index increased by over 6.5%. Its subcomponent is food articles, registered an inflation of 9.5%. The price rise is highest in potatoes, 31.4%, making it the hottest, followed by moong dal, 26%, masoor dal, 15.6%, urad, 14.8%, rice, 12.8%, and milk, 10%. Are you telling me potatoes are being hoarded? Dhania is being hoarded. Come on, you would have laughed if the Congress party would have said that earlier. There's something else happening on the
Arnab.
Brajesh,
I think, please allow me to explain.
Arnab, it can't be.
I think, except in the case of food grains, the central government does not control, does not have many instruments to really handle.
Then why did you blame the Manmohan Singh government?
Of India.
So therefore,
then why did you not say this earlier?
Prices.
Why did you not say
Brajesh Kalappa?
This is the point.
Brajesh Kalappa is responding.
Agriculture is a
Brajesh Kalappa is responding.
Come on, let us understand.
Yeah.
Congress party responding.
You cannot mislead people.
I want to.
Congress party responding.
Please let me come in.
And
Congress party
brought in.
Please,
as
no, I
partners.
understand what you're saying. Please let me come in. Please, you can respond to what I say. You see, Arnab, what I'd like to say is, you see, just as Mr. Modi came into power and then Achhe Din came, because the BJP had always been linking price rise to corruption. And they said that no, corruption was the reason why there was price rise. And now since the 16th of May, all corruption has come to a screeching halt. So why is price rising? This is the question I want to know. Why is price rising?
Yes, I will answer your question.
Another
No, no, so
question.
I can
No,
address
because
that.
all
There are two.
Arnab, I can address that.
did
$2
not go
trillion.
into agriculture.
Let
In all
There are
Mr.
two
Kalappa
states.
complete.
Arnab.
Let Mr. Kalappa complete his point. After that, Bijon
there
Mishra
are-
will
I've
come in.
understood. Let me
there are
let
$2
me
trillion
answer this question.
One second. What you have to answer
there
an
are-
order
there are-
question.
In agriculture.
Please,
Mr.
let
Rao.
me complete my
You need
question.
Mr. Rao,
to
you
invest
let
in
him complete, sir.
agriculture.
Yeah. No, let me just make the question, please. You see, $2 trillion of reserves from the Swiss bank were to come into India, and they would have made the land,
Come on,
India,
I
the
think-
land of
I
milk
think
and
let's
honey.
be serious
What
about the
happened,
debate.
Mr. Rao?
Let's
what
discuss
happened?
the issues seriously,
Because
not
all
trivialize
it
it.
required was to bring the money in. But what happened? Where are the Achedin?
Come on.
Where are the
During the
Achedin?
You can make all kinds of.
During the
you
UPA
can make
tenure,
all
we could
kinds of
export
unreasonable-
onions.
Arnab.
We could export grain. But you cannot do that today. You cannot do that today.
But why are the prices rising despite record production?
Yeah, I want to come in now.
Mr.
In
Narasimha
Maharashtra,
Rao,
why are you
need
unable
to
to control
explain
prices in
as to
Maharashtra?
why you have failed
Congress,
to deliver your
NCP rule
promises?
states. No, you answer. I think the real problem is
I want to come in.
the agriculture sector has been very sluggish and the investments have not gone into it. Whatever investments have gone into irrigation,
You make up your mind.
Maharashtra
You
and
make up your
Andhra
mind
Pradesh
whether
have been
Mr.
siphoned
Rao.
away.
1 minute,
Siphoned away
Mr.
by
Rao.
NCP.
Mr.
Siphoned
Rao,
away by Congress.
before
I
you
think
come
it's
on-
because of your misdeeds.
Mr. Rao.
Because of your corruption.
Okay.
Irrigation did
Point
not,
taken.
investments did not
Point
go in.
taken. Point, Mr. Rao, before you come on national television,
Arnab,
where
sit
was
with
the
the leaders of Bharatiya
agriculture?
Janata Party
Mr. Rao,
and make
this
up
is
your
what I
mind
want to state.
whether you want to blame the
it's because
price
of your
rise
corruption.
because of bad agricultural reforms which are not taken or because of hoarding. You make up your mind because what Mr.
No,
Jaitley
in
is
the short
talking
term.
and what you are
I'll
talking
answer.
are two
In the
different
short
things.
term.
My question is, as per the APMC
Hoarding.
Act. No, one
Hoarding is the
second.
reason in the short term.
Mr. Rao,
But in the long term,
Mr.
the real
Rao.
problem is
Again.
lack of
We are
emphasis to the
talking
agriculture sector.
Okay, one
Corruption.
second. Come.
Corruption in irrigation.
John Mishra, Reta
which your
Brata and
government
Kamal
in
Mitra
NCP
Chenoy have not
Maharashtra
come into the
is
debate
largely
yet.
responsible for.
Consider what Prakash Javadekar said on 1st July vis-a-vis inflation. Yes, Rita Brata. Okay, Rita Brata first.
Yes, I have to. Yes, what Arnav we were pointing out, you correctly said that the wholesale price index, which was 5.2 in April, has gone up to 6.5 in May. So, if this is the case of wholesale price index, one can easily understand that what about the consumer price index? It has gone manifold more, and the worst sufferers are the poor, the marginalized, and the working people. The vast majority, 84 crore of people. I have two simple questions for the BJP. Yes, all of us know that there has been meetings with the different state governments, there has been meeting on the administrative level, and there is the central government had called that there must be crackdown on hoarders must be cracked down. But as the CPIM from long time has been advocating, and we will be advocating it, is the BJP ready to put an immediate ban on the speculative trading? If you put an immediate ban on the speculative trading, that will have an impact. Prices will come down. This is number one. And number two is, throughout the country, in the godowns of FCI, there are huge amount of food grains, huge stocks of food grains are there. Is the BJP in a position to release the food grains?
The government has announced
must be
5
given
million
to the
tons
state
of
governments.
Arnab, let me come in now.
The state governments must get that food grains at BPL prices, and then the state control must be there. If you can do this, there will be an immediate drop in the prices. But the BJP is, I just want to know from the BJP, is the BJP ready to take up these measures?
I think you have not followed. The finance minister announced on the 16th of June
Arnab,
and has
Rao,
Mr. Rao, the
that
real
5
reason,
million tons
the
of
real
rice.
reason,
You,
Mr. Rao,
I think
why
you cannot,
prices
you cannot
are rising,
give out-
Mr. Rao.
That is nothing.
The reason which
5
you don't
million
want
tons.
to
I think
disclose
let there be an
today,
huge amount of
the reason you
let
don't
there
want
be
to
an
disclose
huge
why
debate.
prices
Let
are
us not
rising
in the
is because
godowns
of the
of
huge
FCI,
amount of
release that,
money
give it to the
you
state,
invested
give
in
it
your
at
election
BPL.
campaign,
News,
Mr. Rao.
Arnab, I must come in.
Invested a
Government
huge amount of
control
money
rate,
in your
let it be
election
sold in the
campaign.
market.
Now 1 minute.
Campaign
Now 1 minute.
trying to be now retrieved in the form of
Either you
prices.
all of
I
you
want-
shout
This is the
or you
reason
allow
why
me to
prices-
answer.
which are rising.
I will answer all your
This is
questions.
the reason why
but you
prices are
cannot,
rising.
if you all want to shout and do not want to hear, then
let me tell
I
you
think
why
you can come
prices
to
are
your own
rising.
conclusion.
Because the BJP invested in excess of 10,000 crore into winning this election. Now, naturally, they have no option
Come on,
to get
this
their
is-
money
this
back
is bunkum.
other than to increase
We have
prices.
challenged you.
This is
Oh,
the
come
reason
on,
why
man.
prices are
This has got
increasing.
nothing to do with.
Go to the appropriate authorities.
10,000 crore
Every
was
rupee,
inflated- was
every penny
inflated.
spent
No.
on this
Mr.
election
Kalappa, let's
is
not get into that
paper.
speculative
We don't
zone.
have-
You know.
We don't have the kind
You know,
of money.
you know, Mr. Kalappa.
Exactly.
No, Mr. Kalappa, you don't make it. Don't get into this. Don't get into
More
this.
than 10,000 crore.
Mr. Kalappa, don't get into this.
Get into
How much money did you spend?
Advertisement after advertisement.
Did the Congress party not spend in Rahul Gandhi's advertisements? Where did that money come
Advertisement
from?
after advertisement.
Where did that money come from?
Much less.
Where
Much
did the
less.
money come from?
You know it, Arnab Goswami. You know it.
I
You
don't know it,
that
but where did the money
in
come
10
from?
In 10 advertisements, there was only one advertisement of the Congress. We have stated so even before the election.
So you were no. So if I were to say that you were letting prices go up because you wanted to create a corpus for an advertisement campaign in the general election, would it be fair on you?
Retrieve. This is the exact money they're trying to retrieve.
Be practical, no, Mr. Kalappa.
By way of price rise.
Mr. Kalappa, be practical.
Bullshit.
Of course it is.
Be practical.
The BJP is doing it.
Bijan Mishra comes into the debate. Let Bijan Mishra come
You're
in.
seeing it in practice.
Bijan Mishra.
You're seeing it in practice. 10,000 crore has been
Arnab.
to win an
Yeah,
election.
Arnab.
Come on,
Hello.
Be realistic.
This is not a secret.
This is your
Can you keep quiet? Can you keep quiet for 2
Not a
minutes?
secret.
Please keep quiet for 2
Everybody
minutes.
knows this. Of course I can, please.
Let
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Congress, please. In 1991, 21st of July, you made a roadmap for reforms. You did nothing about it. And you must understand that this is an issue where you should bring in reforms. The markets must open. There has to be competition. It is not the issue of hoarding. It is lack of competition
But why
at
did
the
you not say
marketplace.
this before the
As
elections?
you are going to stop.
Why did you not state this
exports,
fact
you
before
should
the
allow
elections?
imports.
Why did you link price rise to corruption?
You people in
Why
UP,
did you link price
people
rise
in
to
UP,
corruption?
You people in
You
UP
know very well that
10
Congress
years,
was not
you
involved in a
people for
single
10
act
years
of
sat
corruption.
over.
Despite that, you lied to
please
the
remember,
people.
you people
Despite
for
that,
10
you
years,
lied to the people, you
for
misled
10
the
years,
people.
for 10 years, you milked the consumers.
You misled
cheated
the
the
people.
consumers.
Today
For
also
10
you're
years, you
misleading
cheated
the
the
people.
consumers.
And Mr.
Let me tell you very clearly. You
Mr.
have
Kalappa, listen
cheated
to
the
it.
consumers. Let me tell you categorically. Listen to me. Till the best friend of a
I'm
consumer
listening to
is
you.
competition. The roadmap was made in 1991 by your government, and you all never allowed competition.
did it. We did it. We
you
did it.
made organizations like FCI and others suffer. You did it, but you never implemented. You did it, but you never implemented. For 10 years, you slept over it.
Let him speak.
So
Let him
now
speak.
my message
wait,
to the
you had
political
you
parties
had a
are:
chance.
don't
You had a
waste time
chance
on
when
debates.
Mr. Vajpayee was there. Why did you
Let's
not
not
do it?
waste time on
Why
debates.
did you not do it?
Get
Why
the
did you not
prices
do it
down.
when Mr. Vajpayee was
Get the
around?
prices
Now
down.
today to
What?
turn around
It's
and
the
blame us
BJP who
is
has
absolutely
opposed
foolish.
FBI.
What? I'm not
It's the
what
BJP
by
who is
1991.
Why did you not do it
अरे
in
यार
2004?
क्या बात
And
करता
today
है?
to say that
He
we did
doesn't
not
even
do it,
he doesn't
is
even know his own
illogical.
history. He doesn't even know his own history. He doesn't even know his own history. He doesn't even know the Congress's
sorry.
history. He's talking on
No,
this
I'm
channel.
sorry, I don't-
You see, it's
I
very
don't
sad.
read-
It
I
was
don't
your
read RSS books to
earlier
learn
Prime
history.
Minister.
I don't read RSS books to learn history. I read
No,
secular
I'm
books
not
to
an
learn
RSS.
history. I
I'm
don't
not an
read
RSS.
to learn
Hello,
That's-
hello.
I don't know.
Hello, I'm not political.
sorry, I don't know who you
I'm
are.
a citizen. I'm a
Please identify
consumer.
yourself.
I'm a consumer. Yeah, so you better know this.
No, you're a consumer.
You better know it.
You're a
I'm a
consumer
consumer
attached to the BJP.
who pays for all your
You're a
nonsense.
consumer attached to
you
the
pay
BJP.
for
You're a consumer attached
we
to
pay
the
for your
BJP.
nonsense.
Because
Mr.
you have
Kalappa.
no-
I'm telling BJP.
Mr. Kalappa, 1 minute.
BJP
No, 1 minute. Just a
You
minute.
don't want to listen.
Just a minute, Mr. Kalappa. Just a minute, Bijan Mishra.
also.
Bejonda, 1 minute. Bejonda, 1 minute. Bejonda, 1
I
minute.
want to tell BJP.
No, 1 second. 1 second. First of all, I want to say this. The media, yes, I'm coming to you, Kamal Mitra Chennai. The media has every right and every business to ask the BJP government what it's doing. But the Congress party, the UPA refused to bring onions under the Essential Commodities Act. Delisting fruits and vegetables from the APMC Act is under the state's purview.
Exactly.
1 minute. I know what KV Thomas did. I know what he did.
We need to.
Is it true or not?
That. We need to scrap
Enforcement of the Essential Commodities Act is the responsibility of the state governments or not? Is there a need for the state governments to act or not?
Of course it is.
Then We'll ask the centre what they are doing, but what are you doing? You are taking political brownie
The
points.
state governments to act.
People
It's
are
not for the
suffering.
centre to
I
act
think
in
it's
such
a,
cases.
I think it's a crying shame. I think Kamal Mitra Chinoy. Kamal Mitra, I think it's a crying shame. 1 second.
And the BJP in fact heard.
Sir, this country is made of largely
You are rubbish.
lot of poor
You
people.
don't even know what you're talking.
I'm saying this. You think, no, 1 second, let me say this. You think 32 rupees a day is enough for a person to live? Dhania, one bunch, comes for 90 rupees in Mumbai.
No, sorry.
Is it a
According
joke?
to the Gujarat government, it's only 12 rupees. According to the Gujarat government, it's only 12 rupees.
Come on, you
Arnab
stop
Goswami
doing
doesn't
this
see
kind
that. He only sees what the UPA had
I
said.
think the Congress
Arnab
party-
Goswami is blind to
that
what
has
happened
not
in
learned-
Gujarat.
Kamal Mitra Chinoy to the debate.
crore of debt in Gujarat. But Arnab Goswami is blind to that.
I am only saying, don't keep saying Arnab Goswami. I am saying work together.
Mr. Kalappa, you are yelling and you are denying us space.
Kamal Mitra Chinoy of the Aam Aadmi Party needs to come to the debate. Please let Professor Chinoy in.
Bengal.
Professor
Arnab
Chinoy.
Goswami doesn't
The
see
fact
that.
is-
Professor Chinoy, don't
that
insinuate of
the
any
government
prejudice
is
on my part.
following
Please, Professor
inflationary
Chinoy.
policies. If you increase the price of diesel, you increase the price of petrol, you go on to increase the price of gas, all these things will have an inflationary impact. And they'll hit most of all the consumer price index for agricultural labor and the consumer price index for industrial workers.
No, not
so it's not
necessary, not
only a
necessary,
matter
not
of
necessary.
hoarding.
Let him complete.
It's also a
Not
matter of
necessary,
pricing
not
policy,
necessary.
which is wrong. And as far as hoarding is concerned, yes, use ESMA. But who is stopping you from using the Essential Services Act? You can do that. But that alone is not enough. And the second point I'd like to bring to the table is that our storage capacity is woeful. We have silos that leak, so wheat is eaten by rats or drowned by the monsoon, and we lack cold storages to keep and transfer more perishable goods. We have not invested, as people have said, into the ancillaries necessary for the growth of agriculture. We must do so. Otherwise, you will have the same debate every year.
That is why it is necessary. That is why it is necessary to bring in competition.
That is why it is necessary.
We must understand the government has to compete with the private. We have to make an open market to give choice to the consumer. And that is what is required. Today the consumer has no choice. He has to go and plead and beg before a PDS shopkeeper. You see, you have to make it open. The consumer has to understand that it is my prerogative to buy from where I want to buy. Why doesn't we bring in competition? The BJP government immediately
Yes,
has
but
to bring in
competition
reforms
should
in
not be
terms of
oligopolistic.
ensuring that the market is free.
Yes, sir, but that
And it has to bring in competition. And the BJP government has to understand
What do you mean by
immediately
competition?
to make sure
84
that wherever there is a shortage, you should allow. You have to allow imports. You have to allow imports. You have to make it open. You have to go to competition. You have to ensure that the consumer gets the choice. You are forcing consumers to buy what he doesn't want to buy. You see, I want to tell you, if the subsidy is being, if you are saving
But John
subsidy,
Mishra, watch it. Girita Prata and Professor Chinoy, let him complete his point.
products, use it.
Competition.
Let him complete his
There should not
point.
be oligopolistic competition. There
You
must
see
be a fair market, not a
I want to tell
monopolistic
you,
market.
What are you showing, Mr. Kalappa?
I want to
What
tell
are you showing,
fair
Mr.
market.
Kalappa?
Where can there fair?
What are you showing, Mr.
Where can fair
Kalappa?
market?
What is that, Mr. Kalappa, you're holding up? 1 second. What is it you're holding up? What is that you're holding up?
He's hiding his face.
No, 1 second. That actually his signal got frozen out there.
Oh,
That, yeah. What is it you're holding up?
I'm trying to show. I'm trying to show all the items on which prices have been hiked after this new government has come. Rail fare hiked, rail freight hiked, milk rate hiked, potato price hiked, rice price hiked,
Potato
fruits
prices
price
are not
hiked,
determined
sugar
by the
hiked,
government.
petrol hiked,
Potatoes.
LPG hiked, kerosene hiked, electricity hiked, diesel hiked, urea hiked, everything is hiked.